Action! You should act like a man.
Wow.
Maybe knock some fillings loose. I barely got him. Let's see. Does the man have a family?
Of course he does.
This is easy then. Any man with a family knows how valuable a home automation system is. Keeps the wife happy, keeps the kids happy, keeps him alone, enjoying a bourbon on a weekend night. I believe we used the idea of him not having to spend time with his family to sell the home automation system. This is not what we're going to use for the final product. Fantastic news. Any
You
man.
didn't let me finish the sentence.
I knew where you were going.
I know where you knew where I was going. It's called a script.
Okay.
Fuck you.
Okay, that's a wrap.